pinuntan po natin yung sa Marikina bago po ako umalis ay nag-19 meters na po yung level. So dito po nung Ondo yun. So nakatutok din po yung mga tao natin. Ang isolated po natin ngayon, Mr. President, is Malabon, Kamanaba area. Nakakailangan sila ng rubber boat. Pero nakakoordinate ka naman kay Secretary Tiki, pangangailangan na ibang pamahalaan lokal. Kakausapin na lang siguro niya mamaya Las Piñas, Parañaque, at Pateros. Idadayal ko ba yun?
Oh my God! Lupaan niya! Oh Lord!
Maximizing our meager resources. We need some support. I just got the text from Secretary that there will be Coast Guard rubber boats available perhaps for Malabon and Malabon and Damayan Lagi and Talayan Village, Tacloban area for Quezon City. Ito po yung mga critical areas, Mr. President. And you don't have to put nakadeploy na po lahat, Mr. President, yung sa amin eh. And I got the support of staff. Ang staff po, pinagati namin yung rubber boats nila. Dapat po sa eastern part of Metro Manila, sinama na rin namin ng konti sa Manila.
Saka dapat na nakatali lang sa
Uy, nakakaiyak.
Already sent boat last night sa Tacloban, Quezon City. They're still there. Two boats were also to evacuate